Create a graph using the table below. First, we need to plot our points. Our first order pair is 2, 6. Our x-axis, we have M&Ms, and our y-axis, we have pretzels. So first, we need to go over 2, up 6. Then we have to go over 3, up 9, over 4, up 12, and the last point is over 5, up 15. Now I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to add some more points, which will be 1, 3, and 0, 0. Now I'll draw my line. And it says, step 2, is this a proportional relationship? Yes, this is a proportional relationship because after we plotted our points and drew our line, we can see the line is linear and it passes through the origin 0, 0. So therefore it is proportional. What is the constant of proportionality? To determine a constant of proportionality from a graph, you can take any point on a graph. Let's say this point. We can take any point on a graph and write the order pair. In this case, it's 3, 9. And to figure out the constant of proportionality, all you have to do is put y over x. In this case, it's 9 over 3, so that simplifies to 3. Now, to figure out the constant of proportionality from a graph, we also have to put the values y over x. For one serving, it'll be 6 over 2, which simplifies to 3. For 2 servings, we have 9 over 3, which simplifies to 3. For 3 servings, we have 12 over 4, which simplifies to 3. And for 4 servings, we have 15 over 5, which simplifies to 3. So in the table, you have to make sure you simplify all of the terms because you never know. It could be one that's different. To be proportional, all of the values must simplify to the same thing. In a graph, all we have to do is look at the line, make sure it's linear, and make sure it passes through the origin 0, 0. And then we can just take any point and put y over x. How does the constant of proportionality relate to the graph and table? Now, the constant of proportionality 3 relates to the graph because we can see it's going at a constant rate of 3. It's going up 3 and over 1. Up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. So we can put our rise over our run, which is 3 over 1. And it simplifies to 3 for all of the points. Now, the constant of proportionality relates to our table because like we did before, we put y over x and all of our values simplify to 3.